All right, guys, exploring with Kenny. We're back at it again with another one. This is called McNabb Nature Preserve. I think we're in Hirschtown. It was either Hirschtown or Huntertown. I think it was Hirschtown. But this is what we're working with right now. I am gonna wait for my nephew because I do have him this time, so he's doing his intro. So I'm gonna wait up. There he is. But yeah, we've never been to this one, so first time. I heard something, but who knows? He thought that we were probably going to get tore up because he thought that it was a little overgrown, but it looks good. Look at this, dude. The night videos always come in clutch. And I do have my case off my phone, so if I am a little loud, I'm sorry, because sometimes I don't know how loud I am. That's a far drop. I mean, a lot of them are, but this one's cool. I like this one too. It's better when it's night because you got the sun just peeking through the trees. I love it. We can either go this way or this way. We're gonna go this way. Jaden, we got two opposite ways. We're gonna go this way. It says with the arrow to go that way, but there's no arrow this way, but I'm still gonna go this way. Make sure you guys hit that like button, subscribe. I don't know, but it's a far drop. No. Oh, look. That's cool. Hopefully I don't take us off trail because usually I'm the one getting us lost. But hey, it makes an adventure for you guys. You said what?
This is low-key calm.
Yeah, I know.
We're in the middle of nowhere, so...
Yeah, we are in the middle of nowhere. There's a lot of Amish and buggies and stuff around. There was a lot of Amish around, so we thought that was cool. Yeah, we actually did try to come to a different trail before this one, but it didn't have any parking, and it was literally my navigation was taking me to somebody's driveway. So then I looked up this one, and it was like 15 minutes away, so I was like, all right, well, we'll just go to this one. So then I thought it was another bust until I seen the parking lot, and then I'm like, thank God. We got arrows up here. We got arrows up here. We'll just squeeze right between here. Look at this. This is beautiful. I don't know what my leg just touched, but hopefully that wasn't poison ivy. Didn't hear what? Yeah, I get that all the time. The 2 times that I wasn't with you, I kept hearing animals like run through the little brush, but I could never find them. Okay, I was seeing stuff. I thought I seen something, but it was just a leaf.
I share my location with people, so I'm doing it. Just in case something happens.
It actually does. If you think about it, it actually does go far back.
Hey, I'm gonna start putting my thing on 1.0 because 0.5 makes my YouTube video weird. Like it like zooms out. So there's like a black ring around it against the video, so I'm trying to just keep it at 0.5.
Well, whatever you like doing. 0.5 is what I'm using. Got a little path through there. Hey, it was like, yeah, instead of moving the tree, we'll just cut it. But that was kind of cool though. I like how it like goes in with a path. That's cool. Yeah, it's like 7:14 p.m. So, or a.m. or p.m. Sorry. Yeah, I knew that. But yeah, it's getting a little late. So, which is fine. But these videos come in clutch. Yeah, I know. Look. If you guys seen what we seen right now, you'd be like, oh yeah. Like in person other than on camera.
Yeah, I got my. What was that? I put the location in the on the location, so if y'all want to come here, y'all can, bro. I got location and everything.
But guys, if you do come here, please don't destroy the place. Pick up after yourself. Cause we don't come here destroying anything either. You guys drop trash, at least pick it up. I like this one. Oh, the Lindenwood, the one that we went to. When I was there by myself, there was a guy there, and he was literally making a fort. He had bug spray. He was like carving trees and stuff, and he didn't have any shoes on nor a shirt. So he was kind of like doing like a survival video. At first, I thought he was like, you know, a homeless guy or, you know. But yeah, so I was a little skeptical until I seen what he was doing, and then I'm like, yeah, well, he's probably just doing a survival video. But he didn't have a camera. But he was carving branches and stuff. You said what? No, he didn't. These are mushrooms.
In the description, it did, in the other trail that we tried to go to, it's in the description of a dude holding mushrooms. I never touched a mushroom.
Look at that tree. It's just weird how it's shaped. I don't know, it's just weird. Look at that tree. It's like, yeah, it's like a mouse house. Huh?
Oh, is that a bridge? Oh, that's a bridge. It's so hot, bro.
big old trees. The big old leaves.
Oh yeah, these are here.
Yeah. They've been doing a lot of cutting.
Oh yeah. They're stacking up for something.
Probably just cutting down all the old ones.
One place for something. What's back there?
Where?
It opened up right here.
I have no idea. It's just so calming, you guys.
That's when Kenny be putting in the work. You see his thing on? He be putting in that work, huh?
Yeah.
So you be in the sun all day.
It's called being a tow truck driver. You can either go that way. Well, actually, that's not a path.
Looks like some animal.
Yeah, a dog.
Why would there be a dog out there?
Because you can bring your dog.
It says something about fleas or ticks. Yeah, ticks.
He almost fell.
No, I tripped.
Same thing. But yeah, there's a thing that shows you where to go. You said what?
Is that a grass block?
No, it's just, I think there was water here at once. So they probably put that there just so they could get over. I hope I locked my car. Good thing we're the only ones here, though. We are. I believe so.
Somebody could be living in here. How big this place is.
They're not. Nobody's living in here. Trail. All these trees get ripped up by the roots. I like this one.
Yeah, this is calm, relaxing, nice.
Out in the middle of nowhere, so it's peaceful because you don't have people following you or on the same path as you, or you don't have to worry about them standing behind you and you feel like you're going too slow. So it's kind of better when there's nobody around. That way you can take your time. Oh yeah, look. Yeah. That's definitely a big tree. These are huge too, though. Look at this scrap, Jaden.
Is that metal? Yeah, it's metal.
Yeah, but it looks like it was somebody's shed. I'm about to go back here.
Following you, sir. Yeah, it looks like
Look at this, guys.
a little shed.
This looks like it was somebody's
There's a bucket with
shed at once. But we're gonna go back this way. We came from that way, went that way, and now we're going this way. But yeah, that was crazy.
somebody here. Is that bench up there?
I mean, this is just crazy.
So many people be here.
Oh. It's just mud from previous rain, and then it has nowhere to go except for under the mud, and then now it's all over me.
You got it on you?
Yeah. And I went slow, and I guess it just splashed up and went all in my shoe.
It went in your shoe? That's crazy. I got yeast slides
Yeah.
You need to get close to me. Stay on the bottom of your shoe.
Well, the thing is, I walked, and it still splashed up, and I tried, and I even did slow, and it still splashed up on my leg. Probably have to take another shower, even though I already took one, but probably have to take another one.
Yeah, this video will be uploaded tomorrow, if not the next day. Just my YouTube reaction up. Because I don't have a... I'm getting my PC soon, so...
And guys, I've already uploaded 2 videos, so if you haven't watched those, go ahead and go watch those. But this one will be uploaded maybe tomorrow or the next day. I'm not sure. But it'll definitely be uploaded one of those days. So be on the lookout for that.
Check it $3 tomorrow.
Look at that.
Hey, check later too, because I'm gonna upload a video or something. What's happening with that too?
I smell horse poop.
I'll do that. You said Amish?
Yeah.
Probably did.
Oh yeah. I don't have a doubt in my mind it's not them.
He was whooping him, so probably whooped the poop out of him.
Look at this. All the trees down. A little bit of bridge.
Oh, we love
Bridge
that.
action.
I say every time I see a video, a bridge, we love bridge. We love a little bit of bridge action.
I don't
That's
know.
weird. Why does this say go that way, but there's nothing?
Old sugar
Holy smokes! Can we go? That's a lot of
something. I don't know what that said. It said old sugar something. Oh wow, look.
Somebody was cutting shit. Whoa! That just scared me.
What?
Animal. This is. I'm gonna jump. I see that video. I jump.
Huh.
Well, it's so easy to get scared about.
I'm getting ate up by mosquitoes.
Yeah, I haven't got ate once though. Should be good. I think I got bit in my arm once. Should be good though.
They bit me in both my arms, my hand, and then my side of my neck, and I just walked through a spider web right in the forehead. It just slapped me. Huh? Yeah, I know. I just got slapped in the head with a I just got slapped in the forehead with a spider web. Look at all the leaves. But yeah, again, I wouldn't trade this video for nothing because I like it. Even though... Oh, there's a cardinal. I don't know if you guys seen that on camera, but that was a cardinal. Oh, wow. Look at that. And we have no idea where this goes. What is that?
It's like a grape, yo.
I don't know what that is. I don't think that's a grape. Look at that. That's leaning by the tree. If that tree snaps, we are dead. It's just hanging by that tree. I'm glad this video is longer. I'm glad this is a longer trail. Because I actually didn't know how long this was. So I'm glad it's longer than what it looks like. Like I always say in my other videos, though, if you guys can't do it and you guys, you know, aren't old enough or you guys can't walk or can't drive or something like that, grab them snacks, sit down, and just enjoy our video. Look at that. Daddy long legs. Oh.
Blue dog's huge.
Yeah. It goes deep.
I don't even know where we are. I think we're looping around.
You said what?
I think we're looping around. I mean, remember when it was split off the two?
Yeah.
I think we're going to a big circle. And that's what that looks like. Something.
No. I don't know. It probably just, I don't know. They all loop around. I'm just saying, oh, wow. Look at all these mushrooms. Wow.
Big too.
There's something on. That's crazy.
Haven't been touched in a while.
Look at all of them.
Oh, look at all these. Just, it's crazy, man.
Yeah, those were a lot of mushrooms. I think that's the most we've seen.
Yeah, oh yeah, that's the most. Yeah. I'm pretty sure in every video you see some type of mushroom.
We see, yeah, some type of mushroom, but we don't see that many.
Yeah, those are growing, like they were growing everywhere.
Look, the tree's falling apart. Look at that tree.
Those are almost grown. I've never seen them that big.
Oh, in Lindenwood, in one of my videos, it looks like there's a grave site. We have to go back, or, well, we don't have to go back, but in one of my videos, if you watch it, it looks like there's like a grave site that we missed in the winter. But yeah, but I think there was definitely a grave site or something back there.
Where at? By the lake?
Kind of. I just don't know how we missed it, but we did because I seen it.
Everything was at, I can't really see nothing. It's dead.
This goes far down.
So many bugs, bro.
I think this is where we came in, but
See, I'm telling you, bro.
I heard that.
Sound like it felt. Yeah, let's get about it. Tell you, bro. Felt like I was gonna follow it.
Yeah, that's a deep drop.
Heard that one?
I heard that one, but I didn't hear anything after that.
Heard that?
No, I didn't hear.
That was it.
One day when we explore these, we're just gonna have to go off trail one day.
Oh, yeah.
We're gonna have to wear pants though, because we don't want ticks and stuff.
I've been to a DSU. Like, you,
Yeah, but I've always sometimes I wear shorts a lot. I don't want to go down there and get ticks.
oh,
I hear a dog. It's probably one of the Amish.
we're in the middle of it.
Probably one of the
Oh, yeah.
Amish dogs. I heard that.
Yeah, we gotta go.
See, I thought that. I know, but I think that's my car. But it looks blue. Oh, I just got this. Smacked by something. Yeah, that's my car.
Alright, y'all.
All right, guys.
That's what I'm gonna
Well, this is where I'm going to end the video, even though I keep hearing stuff in the distance. But this is where I'm going to end the video. So,